Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with a beautiful series over here, Chainz Arena. Sorry if I sound a little bit different. I formatted my PC because it was starting to become decently slow. Okay, so next thing we're going to do on this tutorial is we are going to I'm going to show you guys how to bind a euro. So if you go to Town Hall over here, there's a few ways that you can collect euros. You can either buy them from the exchange, like I showed you guys within the previous video, or you can go to Summoner's Circle over here. I'll make a video about this very soon, covering what to do with this. Let me just open my free one right here, because I don't want them to go to a waste. Or you can summon. So you can summon your tickets, 15 tickets. You can get 10 summons. And you have a 4.5% chance to get an epic and 0.5% chance to get a legendary. So these cards will be unbound if you buy them with the MOBOX. If you buy them with the tickets, they will be instantly bound, and you will not get any accumulative points regarding that. So I'm going to just buy here from the market because this is how I prefer it anyway. You can see that there's a few cheap ones right here. I'm going to purchase this one. So give me a second. Okay, verification success. So I'm going to purchase this one right here. Costs 15 MOBOX. And then if I go back to the hero tab over here, you'll be able to see that hero as new right there. And all you can do at the bottom is click on quick bind and click on the empty slot. Then there's going to be the euro there that you purchased, or euros if you buy multiple, which I will do in the future, because I find this this game very profitable, especially if you sell the mech. But anyway, this is how you bind the euro. Then at the top you have two options. Either you fix it with 10 MOBOX, 10 cumulative points right here, or you can random it, and then it will be anything between 5 and 50. The question came to me a few times, what is better? They are balancing each other out. They are like the one and another, like it doesn't really matter what you go for as long as you choose one and stick with it. However, I do find the fixed one a little bit safer, and I know what I'm getting instead of gambling. So for round 4, I'll just stick with the safe method. So all you do is click on confirm or continue, and then it will show your cumulative points in total. It will show you at the bottom, and you just click on confirm, and then you can see over here I got 10 again. So 10 is added up here. So now with my mining hammer, I will be getting not just mech anymore, but I'll be getting MOBOX, which will be right next to it. So this is how you bind heroes, buy euros, and if you want to summon, you can also do that. However, I prefer buying from the market, and the reason being is because you know what you're getting, you know how much you're paying for it, and then obviously you pay 15 MOBOX, you get 10 back already, so you technically buy 5, you pay 5 MOBOX per card, if that makes any sense, and then that's only if you have mining hammers active. But the good thing is every single month you'll be able to ramp up the MEC you're getting if you keep on buying cards. So eventually we'll come to a point where you have so much MEC, you can go well and beyond this game to evolve your cards, and then exclude it, taking it out of the project, and then also doing stuff like evolving your momos, or leveling up your momos, which is going to be very juicy. If you don't want to do that, you can just sell it on the market. But I'll show you guys how to import and export MEC and MOBOX, most probably in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you, take care, and as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care, bye-bye.